Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲. In today's video, I'm going to teach you one of the best softwares you can use online in order to change your YouTube video into a professional YouTube video background. Stick with me even as I show you on my PC. Alright guys, so now that you have your video, you can head over to Google, and in Google you can type in this website called Leonardo AI, and then you can click on the first link that you see here. Now that we have come to the website, all you have to do is go to create account. It's gonna take some few minutes. Okay, so now this is the interface of the Leonardo AI. You can easily log in with your Google account, your Apple ID, or whatever email address that you have. You can come to create new image here, and when you come to the create new image, you would have to type in here what you want the AI to generate for you for your YouTube video background. So I have already here a professional YouTube studio with RGB light and a bookshelf in the background that you can use. So when you go to generate, you can just type in whatever you want, maybe YouTube studio with RGB light and books with YouTube wall or something, and then you go to generate. So these are the images that Leonardo gave us. I think we can use the first one. Yeah, let's use this one. So all you have to do is go to download, and then you can download the image. After your image is downloaded, you can come to this app called Canva. Alright, so this is the Canva application. You go to create a design, and then you can see from the drop down menu it gives you the kind of design. So I want a YouTube thumbnail, so you can just click on this one. So now that you have this, you come to the sidebar, and then you go to uploads, and then in uploads we can upload the image that we generated from Leonardo AI. So you click on this one, you go to upload, and here is a Leonardo image. So we click on that one, and then we open it. It's going to drag it even into your studio here. Now you can drag it to your workspace here, and you can leave it here. Now what I want you to do is, because of the thumbnail size, you can see that this image looks too small, but I can teach you what you can do. You can right click the image and go to set image as background, and then it will fit your entire screen. Perfect. So this is what you have. Now what you have to do is you come to share, and then you go to this download here. It's going to download this in a PNG file, so you can choose download. You can see it downloading right there. It's going to ask you where you want to save this image, and I would say I want to save it in my download files, so I would save it right there. Now that we have that, we can minimize this and minimize our Google Chrome, and we can come to our video editing software. This is the video editing software that I use. It's called 𝗁𝗯𝗹𝗲 𝗁𝗯𝗹𝗲. This is the 13th edition. I think this is the latest edition that I am using. You would need a paid subscription for this one, but you can also use CapCut, which is also a very easy software that most people use in order to edit their videos, but I use the 𝗁𝗯𝗹𝗲 𝗁𝗯𝗹𝗲. So we can click here to import media, and then I can drag it here to the workstation. And then after you have dragged it to the workstation, now you can also import your image that you downloaded from Canva, which is the untitled one here. Perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this image, and I'm going to come to this feature here. Is an AI marking tool. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to go to AI portrait. I'm going to give it some time to remove the background, which I have in this video, and then you click OK. Perfect. So now that we have the image, now what we can do is we can bring this image here, and then we drag it to the length of the image. So we can see that we can bring the video up, and then we can drag this one to the length of the image, guys, and then you are done. You can go to export here. You can save this in higher quality, whatever you like, and then you are done. Basically, man, you can upload this on your YouTube, and that is a professional studio that you have built for yourself.